Hey guys, Brad Niccum, Nest Mortgage Group here. I'm sure everybody has heard the news that interest rates have started to come down. And I've already had a couple of calls of people asking about refinancing. Keep in mind, when you see rates on television, they're usually talking about purchase rates, not refinance rates. Refinance rates are just a little bit higher than your purchase rates. Another thing I want everybody to keep in mind is it doesn't really make sense to refinance until your interest rate is a full point higher than where current rates are. So as interest rates start to come down and we start to see this slide to lower rates, once you hear that interest rates are at least a point, or once my system tells me it's at least a point below, I'll reach out to you. But it doesn't always mean you want to refinance right away. When they say rates are starting to come down and they give all of these future moves by the Fed fund rate and all of the news that's going to show where the economy continues to slow down, interest rates will continue to come down. And it's kind of like buying a stock in the opposite side. You don't want to buy the NVIDIA stock when it's at the highest point. You wanted to buy it when nobody knew about it. And that way you can make money as it goes up. In the refinance world, it's about trying to land your refinance at the bottom when interest rates kind of bottom out before they go up. A lot of people in 2021 refinanced, from 5 down to 4, but then it dropped again down to 3 and even in some cases down in the 2s. And if you refinanced at 4, you really just wasted that refinance money to refinance again in the future. So finding out if it's a good time to refinance for you is really a big math equation. We want to look at how many months you've paid on the payment or paid on the mortgage to see what that's going to look like in expense if you stretch it back out to another 30 year. We want to look at what the overall savings is from refinancing and giving your monthly savings minus whatever your closing costs were. And another thing that we want to be kind of conscious of is you might be able to go from a 30 to a 20 and still have a lower payment and then save 10 years off of your loan. So when you have questions about refinancing and you just want to know, is it the right time, or where are rates today and what would that refinance look like? What are those costs and what could that savings be? Just reach out at any point in time. In today's market, if your interest rate is above 7.5, today may be getting close to being able to refinance. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Hopefully this news was helpful, and I look forward to talking to you all soon. Thanks. Have a great day.